Hi, it's Adria said, and today I'll show you how to use Gemini AI on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first go into the Settings, then System. In here we need to find Gestures, and we have double press power button, navigation mode, one-handed mode, press and hold power button, and three-pointer screenshot. We need to go into press and hold power button and select digital assistant. Then you can right here press and hold duration, adjust that. So now press and hold the button and the Gemini opens. Now just sign in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.